Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the e-skill learning platform from Government of India, which promotes the campaign of Central Government of Skill India. This is the national platform, and in the concentration of Indian language diversity, there are 7 languages available here, which is Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, and English, and also Hindi. So you get the contents of this platform in 7 Indian regional languages and also in English. Now we are going to see which courses are available here. Here you get all types of courses, so they are categorized in different parts like agriculture, home furnishing, automotive, beauty and banking, construction, electronics, furniture, jewelry, green jobs, healthcare, IT, life sciences, management, media, plumbing, retail, telecom, textiles, tourism. Last 3 are categorized for the peoples who wants the courses for people with disability. Other courses are also here which are not belonging from above, and some employability enhancing courses are available. These all courses are for skill development, and here I choose IT and ITES sector, this category. And after that, what courses are here you can see on your screen: CRM, domestic voice, computer basics, it is available in Hindi, and also computer hardware repairing. So these are skill development courses, and computer hardware repairing is also one of the most popular courses on this platform. Some paid courses are also available here. You can see there are paid courses of digital literacy and impression management, and here there are more courses. These are the popular courses on this platform. You can see CPM, basic web development. Here you can get all the engineering, medical related, all the courses are available here. You also get free certificates for course completion, and also for some of the courses there are exceptions that they have no certificate. I show you which courses, how to see that there is certificate available or not by choosing one of its course, that is of computer hardware repairing course. Just I'm going to choose. You just watch if the certificate is available here or not. You can see that this course is free, course price free, language is Hindi, and sector is IT and ITS. And now I'm going to see if we got certificate on the course completion or not. So we are going in details of this course. This course is provided by Skilltrain on this platform. Here you get many courses of different platforms, and here is the course details, that the name of the course, language, and after that there is a duration of 8.22 hours, means there is a long course, and here it is free, and also certificate availability not available. So you have to see that the certificate available or not. Friend, my humble request to you, doesn't go for the certificate because you have many certificates. If not, then you just see my video list, you got many certificates there. And also here you got skill development courses, so you focus on skill development. If you want to get certificate, then I'm going to show one more course. Here is the computer communication and network course. I just tap on it. It is 5-star rated course, and it is also free. It is related to IT and ITS. The language is English, and it is provided by Sailor Academy. As you know, Sailor Academy, there are many courses on this platform is free, and you got these courses here also. And here is the some requirements, and after that we see that this is free course, and also certificate is available here. You just see certification availability, it is shown that it is available, and also there are some assessment, and also pre-qualification is any, means you, this is the beginner course, you can choose it without any prerequisite knowledge of this subject. And here I'm going to sign up because this is a new platform, so I have not an account, so I'm going to sign up here. Sign up new user, and here what required for the sign up is first name, last name, mobile number, email ID, gender, year of birth, state, choose password and re-enter password. So this is very simple process of sign up, and you can see on the screen that I filled up all the blocks. If you have any confusion in it, let me know in the comments. And also you have to verify either your mobile number or your email ID. Hope you got this and also registered for these courses. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.